Instant dry powder detergent is a type of laundry detergent that comes in a fine dry powder for instant use without prolonged stirring or dissolving time. This type of detergent is commonly used for hand washing, machine washing, and general cleaning purpose. And it is suitable in washing all types of clothes, both colored and white clothes. In today's tutorial, we'll be using 4 main ingredients. Try and watch today's video to the end. You will learn how you can make this handmade powder detergent at comfort of your home with all these ingredients that you can find around you. You can get all the chemicals, all the ingredients where they are selling soap making chemicals. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Our number one ingredient is soda ash light. Soda ash light, followed by sodium sulfate, then sulfonic acid, and SLS powdered. Don't forget your clean dry mixing bowl for production. Make sure you use a bowl that can contain your products without spilling off. The number one ingredient goes into our mixing bowl is soda ash light, and we'll be using 500 grams of soda ash light. Soda ash or washing soda is a key component in the production of powder detergents. It helps to remove stains from laundries. The next ingredient is sodium sulfate, and we'll be using 150 grams of sodium sulfate. Sodium sulfate in detergent powder acts as a filler and a flow agent. Without it, the detergent will easily stick together and becomes one big block. It's also added to protect washing machine or dishwashing from corrosion. As you add, make sure you mix both together very, very well. Mix it together to blend well. The next we are adding is sulfonic acid. Sulfonic acid will be using 50 ml. Sulfonic acid acts as a surfactant to break down surface tension between water and dirt, between grease and stains to enhance cleaning. Always use your protective hand gloves in order to safeguard your hands from any harmful chemical. Please don't just be like me. As I added my sulfonic acid, I make sure I mix the 3 chemicals very well. I don't want to waste any of my ingredients, so let me use my powdered detergent and remove the remaining sulfonic from the cup. So after I added all my sulfonic acid, I make sure I mix it together very well. You can take a look at the mixtures. Make sure your own look exactly like my own before adding your SLS. My SLS powdered is still the same thing as the main SLS that you buy in the market that look like a seed of rice. After measuring my 100 grams, I make sure I blend it. You can blend it even if you don't have blender. It's very easy to blend. You can use grinding stone to blend it. You can just make use of something to make sure you turn it to powdered before using it. After adding it to your mixture, make sure you mix it very well. Mix it together and make sure all the 4 ingredients blend together. What I'm adding now is my clean water. I added clean water 25 mils of clean water. The reason why I added water is, the texture look like as if it's just so dry like ordinary powder. To make it look fluffy, make the weight lighter. That is the reason why I added water. So you need to add water to your powder detergent to make it look exactly like store powder detergent. And the water that we added again increase the detergent a little. It make it to puff. So just take a look at it.
Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share.
Now, what I'm adding now is my hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide is an optional. I added hydrogen peroxide 15 mils. I added my hydrogen peroxide in order to enhance more cleaning and to brighten the color of the detergent. As I added my hydrogen peroxide, I make sure I mix it very well. You can add more than 15 mils of hydrogen peroxide, but I just added this 15 mils because I want a kind of detergent that will be able to wash white clothes and at the same time wash colored clothes. Too much of hydrogen peroxide can bleach your colored clothes. That is why I have this very little to my detergent. As I added it, I mix it together very well. Make sure you mix it the way I'm mixing my own. Mix it together to blend all the whole ingredients together. After mixing it very well, the next thing we are going to add is our fragrance. Fragrance is the next thing. Make sure you add fragrance that has no color to it. Add fragrance that is very transparent. I added fragrance
5 mil.
You can add 5 mil. You can as you desire. If you want your cloth to smell fresh, to smell more than this, you can add more fragrance. I only added just 5 mils of fragrance. I added my fragrance and I mix it together very, very well. And add any fragrance of your choice. All these chemicals I told you, you can get it in where they are selling chemicals. That is why you need to watch this video to the end. If you watch the video to the end, it will help you to know and to feel the texture the way I'm doing it, so that when you are producing your own at home, you will get exactly the same result that I get here. The next thing is to bring out my tray and spread it on it. Spread it on a plain thing that you know that you can use to dry it. This is instant dry powder detergent. You can choose to place it in a cool, dry place where there is no sun and it will dry. Already it's dry already. You can see it's not wet. And what you are seeing on your screen now is color speckles. Color speckles. If you want me to teach you how to make your own color speckles, please just comment on the comment section color speckles and I will do the video on how I make my color speckles. Color speckles is this kind of color that you normally see on a store detergent. This color that you see on a white detergent that will show inside the white detergent, but it will just show a little. You just added little to it. So my color speckle, I added pink color, I added blue color and green color. So if you want me to teach you, let me see it in the comment section and I will make a video on how I make my color speckles. As I added my color speckles, I mix it together, spread it on a tray, and this detergent, I just place it in a sun for like maybe 1 hour and that is all. After 1 hour, this is my detergent. You can choose to leave it inside the house and you can choose to sun dry it. It's an instant dry detergent. Just take a look at it. You can see it. I put it in the sun so that, because we are in a kind of rainy season here, so that I will have a brighter detergent. You can see the detergent now very dry and fine color, fine texture. So I take my sieve and I sieve my detergent. This is the sieve, the one that is not all that smooth. Look at the one in the tray. You can see it with the color speckles on it. You can see how beautiful it looks. And I believe when you make your own, you are going to follow the same step and get exactly what I see. I just added a little spoon into my mixing bowl and I added water to it. You can see how it foams, and I place my colored clothes in it. I just want to show you that you can use this detergent to wash any kinds of clothes. You can see that it's not bleaching it. Rather, it will wash it very well without bleaching. You can use it to wash any colored clothes, and you can use it to wash white clothes. And it's very easy to dissolve. Immediately you put it in the water, it will dissolve. That is why it's good for machine use. I indicated that is for washing machine use. You can use it for hand wash, for washing machine. And at the end of the day, all together, I have just 798 grams, almost 800 grams of powder detergent. You can do it yourself at home. I hope you have learned something in today's tutorials. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.